Hello and welcome. Now in this video we're going to talk about the third-party applications that are available for you to use with Google Analytics. Now if you come to the Google Analytics front page, you'll notice that there is a link at the top for partners. You should go ahead and click that link. When you get to this page, you'll see Expert Help is here. You're going to click the link that says Google Analytics Certified Partners. And then you'll see that Google Analytics offers a list of partners and solutions that they have vetted and determined worthy of a mention on their own page. Now you can find partners, you can be a partner, or you can find a third-party solution. Now in this particular case, since we're not looking for service providers to help us with Google Analytics, but we might want to find an effective solution. So we're going to go ahead and click Find a Solution. And you'll notice that each of the solutions have certain categories for use with Google Analytics, and they also have pricing associated with them. Now, if you're not necessarily looking to pay for the service, or you'd like to get some level of the service before you actually pay, you're going to start by sorting for free and then apply the filter. And what you'll see then is you'll see a number of solutions available to you, and you'll then want to sort again for the kind of solution that you actually want. For example, perhaps you're looking for an e-commerce solution. If that's the case, you're going to apply that filter. And so now what we have is all of the e-commerce based solutions that come with some level of free or is entirely free in terms of their connection to Google Analytics. Now again, what you'll need to do is to make sure that you determine what it is that you actually want from your third-party app or partners. Perhaps if you want social analytics, you apply the filter, you'll again find those that are already free. You can actually determine those that are paid also. And basically, what you have is you have a list of companies that have decided to partner with Google to make their analytics results more robust and to find new customers. So if one of these applications fit what you are trying to do, you may want to try the free level of their solution. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.